Your users are trying to download a large report, a video archive, or a database backup. Suddenly, the download cuts off. The browser says, "Check internet connection." What do your users do? They blame their Wi-Fi, refresh the page, try again, fail again, and then they open a support ticket. Or worse, they leave for a competitor because your platform feels unreliable. As a system owner, you ask your dev team, why is this happening? They check their monitors and say, it works on my machine and our server has plenty of RAM. But here is what they are missing. The problem isn't the user's internet, and it's not a lack of server power. It's a classic hidden conflict between Cloudflare and Nginx default settings. Today we will look at exactly how this architectural trap kills your user retention and how to fix it in 5 minutes. Let's look under the hood. When a user requests a large file, your backend starts generating and sending it. By default, Nginx is greedy. It doesn't send the data to the user immediately. Instead, it tries to download the entire file from PHP into its own internal hard drive buffer first. Only after this buffer is full does it plan to stream it to Cloudflare and the user. While Nginx is busy filling its internal cache on the disk, the user's browser and Cloudflare are getting exactly 0 bytes of data. Cloudflare and modern browsers have a strict rule: if no data moves for 60 seconds, the connection is considered dead. Boom, Cloudflare drops the link, the browser throws a fake network error, and Nginx gets confused, aborts the process, and logs an HTTP 499 error code. Client closed request. Your team sees a 499 error and thinks the user just closed the tab. In reality, your server forced them out. To fix this, your team needs a shift Nginx from buffering mode to streaming mode. Here's the exact 3-step checklist you should hand over to your CTO or lead engineer. First, turn off Nginx buffering, fast CGI buffering off. This forces Nginx to pass data to Cloudflare instantly, byte by byte, as soon as PHP generated. No more waitings, no more 60-second silence. Second, align the timeouts. Increase Nginx send timeout to 3600 seconds, 1 hour. This keeps the pipe open for users with genuinely slow internet connections. Third, fix the backend limits. Ensure upload max file size, post max size, and client max body size are scaled up with a margin. Crucially, set max execution time to 0 so the script doesn't commit suicide mid-transfer. If you run Docker, make sure your containers aren't quickly running out of RAM during heavy loads. What happens to your business metrics after this 5-minute fix? 0 silent churn. Users can download 5 GB files as easily as 5 MB files. Support tickets drop instantly. Infrastructure savings. Your server infrastructure stopped choking because your Nginx no longer dumps massive temporary files into the disk. You save on storage and IOPS costs. You don't need to upgrade to a more expensive AWS or Google Cloud tier. Proxy harmony. Cloudflare successfully caches what it needs and safely passes through what it shouldn't, without dropping connections. Don't let default configurations ruin your platform's user experience. Take the link to this video, drop it to your engineering team's Slack channel and ask them, Are we buffering or streaming our big data? If you want more high-level insights on how to audit your tech stack without getting lost in the code, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.